Oh, how I miss you hot dogs. Way better in New York, New Jersey. Sorry, Florida. I get it. Get wild. Get wild. Get wild. Well, we are here in the humble abode for the one night in New York City, the Moxie Hotel. Hotel chain that is under the Marriott umbrella. This is usually $350 to $400 a night. With my Marriott discount, because I work for the company at one of the restaurants, I got this night for $60. You cannot beat that. Right in the heart of Chelsea. Ooh, so as you saw earlier, I went out and did my little eating excursion. Now I'm just checking in here. Still got some more eating to do, and got the MLB Food Fest later. So, you know, city that never sleeps, the Big Apple, the concrete jungle. This is New York City, baby. My backyard. Lived in Jersey, worked in the city. I'm back, baby. Wow. So So the one deli I would go to when I was living over here with Smoke Hill, the guy moved to Florida, so it was out of that. And then take the subway to Queens for the place with the octopus that's live. They're out of that. So I'm gonna have to post old pictures. I have a few old pictures of when I did the live octopus years back, so I'll just kind of give you an idea what that's all about. But yeah, they don't know when they're gonna get more in on that. And then the eel guy moved to Florida, so that deli that I went to with the pastrami is awesome, but I couldn't get the smoked eel because that guy's gone. So those two were fails, but nonetheless, still eating good food. About to go into this other place that has all different types of beef parts, so this should be fun and interesting. And then I still got the MLB Food Fest later, so it's not all bad. And then tomorrow I head to Jersey. Spontaneous, that's just the way to do it. You just kind of have to roll with the punches and go with the flow, because that's usually what I do. I do a little bit of research, but then when you show up, anything and everything can happen. Hey, Houston was a downpour and rain. This time certain things are out, so it's pretty much subways and walking around the rest of the day.